How to fix Snapchat stories won't load. Hey everybody, in this video, we're gonna see how you can fix if your Snapchat stories won't play, keep freezing, or show a blank screen. The issue is usually tied to your network issues or outdated app data. Even your device settings could cause this. So here is a step-by-step guide on how you can easily fix this problem. You can begin by checking your connection. So disconnect from your current Wi-Fi, reconnect it after a few seconds, or you can alternatively switch to mobile data. Doing this will fix the problem in most of the cases. If nothing changes, just close Snapchat from your recent apps and fully shut it down, then reopen it. Now you can go over to the story section down below and see if that fixes your story section. Once that is done, you can disable any power saving or data limiter feature on your device. And once you have done that, long press on Snapchat, tap on the I button. From here, go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed, including file storage and your camera permissions. Go back, tap on your storage, and clear cache. Now you can also try to restart your device. So long press on it, tap on restart, and you should be good to go. If your stories still refuse to load, you need to log out of your Snapchat account, wait for a moment, and then sign back in. To do that, go over to Snapchat and tap on the profile icon. Tap on gear icon at the top right. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find logout right here. Just log out of your account and log back in again. That should fix it. If you have done all of these steps, your problem should be fixed. Additionally, what you can also do is check if Snapchat servers are having issues, and uh, if none of that works, the final resort is to uninstall and reinstall it again. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.